I found a pretty decent deal on a Tomahawk. Let's make steak tonight. My spider code just right there in the pocket. Holster that. What we got here is a beautiful specimen. Look at that marbling. Looks beautiful. You've been following me for a while. You know I have a Schwank grill outside. Last time I used it, I caught it on fire. So this is a redemption time. The Graza Earl. Nice and lubricated. This is going to melt in your mouth and not in your paws later. This is a big hunk of meat, so don't be afraid to season it well. Pat that seasoning in so it gives it some stickage. Little flipperooskies. The other side, same way. Smooth sailing. Come in and season the sides. Give it some pattage. We're going to flavor dust that other side as well. I'm still kind of green on that 1500 degree grill. So I have this ThermoPro temp spike. It's going to keep track of it for me. So that way when I'm sitting inside playing Red Dead and counting sheep, possibly, my phone will alert me whenever it hits the internal temperature that I want. I'm probably going to shoot for about 120. I think she's ready. This trusty dusty little stick here to get her up in there. Now this grill has preheated to the maximum temperature. Layer on there real nice. Now this here is on the lowest possible setting. There is a lever on the side that can do different levels. Give her a good old flippage. Way back in, we're gonna toss some butter in the drip tray. Raise her up a notch. That butter don't hit. Let them cook. Things are looking good. Another thing to know about these Swank grills is they cook a ribeye steak really, really fast and really, really consistent. But with a big cut of meat like this one, you do have to go down to the lower setting to make sure it gets the internal temp you want. We rotate mine every 5 to 10 degrees just so I get an even cook on both sides. Just a little bit of a toasty fire there, but that's all right. We're megging her. We're now at 115. Let's get her out and get her rested so I can eat this ball. Try to finagle this off here. Lay it right in the butter. Nice, good basking. We'll flip it over. Time to be plated. A little bit unconventional, but we're gonna pour juice and butter right back on that steak. See, if I would have been sleeping, this thing would have just woke me up. Silence button. Let's check out the steak. Get that out of there. Whoop. Let's get into it. And that right there is the perfect steak.